Court to blatch them. It's a sad day for democracy. It's a sad day for the rule of law.
If you look at the charges, these are charges that are not serious offenses. If you say,
Entiare Boba Kube Kumno Mam, you know, they say, and you're coming back for Abronye Eco Pimo Accra Circuit Court, na a honor court. I shall say, yes, I'm for Abronye and Coachre, Abaku Kumukakra, Nayan Himu was ya remanded Abronye ende. Memon to the court on my remanded Abronye, Memon to know what yes. Enough is no Chairman Azorka. Our car said, Obek over 12 Yamakan Kubuku, no threat of Yamakan, and then the police work with Chino. But, on one side, I granting the bay ende. Yabedi so home I Penyah broke media. Mess was any demo. Over like video, no damn of subscribe button, click notification, confidence, updates, about the wide in their mamma, comment section. Mess Ross or Basso, and watching for so any be actually. And on the 8th of September 2025, and I watch Kwame Buffer Abronye, I plead for the statement about Bontebe confirmation and Abronye question. And my death on the 9th of September 2025, you know. Yet Abronye Eco Pimo Accra Circuit Court. Other say, Emma Honomono. Court say there be Yarimande Abronye assembly to Ashada. Ejanfa Abronye and Coach by Kukumkakra. I remind no from 9 to 12. Let's remind Abronye for 4 days. What I say, the man got you please for Kukumu for 4 and 9. Emma and Neno on the 12th of September, you know. Court say for Abronye, Embra Court hold mu and it and yes, had Abronye Equana, Yamda Abronye Equan, Nasa Atoni Bre, and a Kukudam, a titrin and into the Ebana Kuizana majority leader. Lawyer Afenyo Markin on one kasa kopie mo court ho ene enyo no nko former attorney general General Godfred Odame on so kopie mo court ho no ene na bi mi nyina no mu di mountain say and then the na say ato ani bre ara say Emma Abronye Dc chairman Abronye Dc no ono agasa no lawyer Enoch Afuakwa na ono so ebo na chito say o pe be e dia man say nani abresa crowd na and then no kwadu a ye de ball Abronye e wo court ho no nyina no Abronye chirem so no odibem he pleaded no guilty and the court agency say Abronye edibem dia ene na wama asem kano ayeden 8 years afọ no kwatwira ba kukumu kakra na yenye investigation eti court remanded Abronye say years afọ Abronye enkwatwira abai kukumu kakra Emma right after that, lawyer is the original educator Aje Abronye. And young lawyer Enoch Afuakwa, Crabbe say there be idea say court no no idea court no against the client Abronye no. I say and pay emra no say mra no ye simra ni tira. I say now no ye camera say ye can say nipa no ho na hina say ye twini wa say ye mafia go. I say any ma say court no say I say e be formula kwan so ye papa.
Whoever is behind and using the state accoutrement against innocent citizens. We don't know the person behind, but we know the people enforcing the state architecture, the statecraft. And they should be worried that they one day have questions to answer as far as the use of state machinery against the lives of innocent citizens are concerned. Thank you very much.
For purposes of avoidance, what was the court decision today?
Yeah, the court decision is that the prosecution prayed the court that investigations are still ongoing and that the accused person be remanded into police custody to continue with ongoing investigations. And under the circumstances, this is based on electronic evidence. Whatever he said, whatever he is alleged to have said, is electronic. Why must it take dates for the person to be remanded into police custody before he can continue with investigations? You see, Under the Criminal Other Offences Procedure Act of 1960, Act 30, Section 96(4) clearly tells the court that the court should not withdraw bail as a form of punishment against an accused person. Under the circumstances, we clearly see that the court is just withdrawing bail against Mr. Abronye to use that as a punishment against an accused person who has not pleaded guilty to the offences that he has been charged with. And a clear breach of Article 19(2)(c) of 1992 Constitution. But we believe in the rule of law in due process. Certainly, we have the instruction of our client to pursue their matter. And as far as that is concerned, we will climb up and make sure that his liberty is restored. Certainly, he has been remanded into police custody.
When is the next agenda?
Yeah, for 2 weeks. So certainly, we look forward that we come back on the due on the return date.
What was the spirit of your client? I mean, we saw him raise his fist to
Yeah, Mr. Kwame Bafo Abronye is a man full of life. He knows it. That this is just mere political persecution.
Yeah.
And certainly, he's hopeful that yes, his liberty will be restored one day. And yes, he's pursuing what he's pursuing in furtherance of democracy.
There are reports he's on a hunger strike. Can you confirm that for us?
Oh, certainly. Once you are being handled this way, will you trust that the same people handling you in a manner as if you have committed treasonable offense? When they give you water, will you take it? When they give you food, will you take it? Certainly, he needs to protect his life. And under the circumstances, the reason that he's on hunger strike.
Thank you for your time, sir.
You're welcome.
Court to blatch them. It's a sad day for democracy. It's a sad day for the rule of law, because under Article 19(2)(c) of the 1992 Constitution, an accused person is presumed to be innocent until he has proven guilty. He's been proven guilty, or he has pleaded guilty. Mr. Abronye has pleaded not guilty to the charges that has been leveled against him, and in fact, the court is duty bound to protect the liberty of the accused person. They say, I have always re-echoed the statement of His Lordship Justice Jones Duce in the case of the Republic versus Prince Chibudako, that the state with all its resources should not be allowed to gamble with the lives of ordinary citizens. Under the circumstances, the state has been allowed by the courts to gamble with the life of ordinary citizens in a matter of a misdemeanor. And it is sad. It is very sad. And this is the country that we are building today. And we urge all well-meaning Ghanaians to add their voice as far as the handling of persons perceived to be political opponents to the ruling party is concerned. Ideally, look at the deployment of police and the deployment of state power, using the coercive power of the state against innocent citizens. It's what Justice Jones Duce, when he was sitting as an additional high court judge, stated in Prince Chibudako that the state, with all its resources, should not be allowed to gamble with the lives of ordinary citizens. Now the court has allowed the state to gamble with the life of ordinary citizens in this manner. It is arbitrary. It's unconscionable. But what can we do? We'll follow due process, make sure that the law is the law, and the law sets the wheels of justice in accordance with due process as far as the tenets of democracy is concerned. So we'll pursue. We have our strategies right. We'll climb the next level of the court structure to ensure that the liberty of Mr. Kwame Bafo Abronye is restored. We urge the police and we urge the security that if they were able to deploy the hundreds of men here in a matter of a misdemeanor, they should go to the north, where some of our own citizens are lingering in neighboring Ivory Coast as a result of conflict. They should go to other parts of the country, in Boko, where people are dying. They should go to Manso, where innocent citizens are being killed. People are maiming for life. This is what the state should be interested.
Emma lawyer Afenyo Markin cross the children call the about Abronye pa de hold water emunyedu senti atimi da Abronye she Black Maria mu edene call just say emunyedu.
Gentlemen of the press, yesterday when a UK Minister of State visited Parliament, in my interactions I had this to say, that the time has come for political leaders to end the I do you, you do me, or you do me, I do you. Democracy cannot be sustained, protected, and advanced through such actions. Ghana must make progress. Since 1992, when we started this democracy. We've gone through challenges. I think that under this reset dispensation, we'll see something different. But this situation of abusing human rights under the guise of ensuring law and order isn't that here nor there. If you look at the charges, these are all misdemeanor. These are charges that are not serious offenses. If you say somebody is publishing fake news with the intent to cause fear and panic, it's a mere misdemeanor. Then you again say that his conduct is offensive conduct and it breaches the peace. These are not serious matters. And I mean, this shouldn't lead to somebody being put in Black Maria. On the contrary, a national officer of the NDC threatened my life, threatened the national organizer's life, threatened the chief whip and other senior members of the party. Threat of death openly. We petition. Unfortunately, because there's a different Ghana for MPP and there's a different Ghana for the NDC, the IGP has not even arrested the said officer. A communication officer of the NDC in Akotia constituency also repeated this said threat, but he has not been arrested, and that is what we see.
Now, big crash person frustration on that.
About 100 policemen, fully armed to the teeth. Is he a terrorist? Has he committed treason? Is he a treasonable offense? Look, even when we were in court, we saw of a news item where Sofo Azorka, who has actually threatened to kill the minority leader, he was arrested, granted bail the same day, and he's been directed to appear before the court on the 12th of September or so. In fact, we even have the constituency communications officer for the NDC in Ebuakwanov, who openly said that they are looking for my good self, Honorable Anodompre, and the minority leader to kill, and that they are after us. The video is viral. In fact, the new Patriotic Party officially petitioned the IGP, signed by the General Secretary. As we speak, we have not even received any official correspondence from the police. This is somebody who says that he's going to kill Honorable Afenyo Markin, Honorable Anodompre, and my good self. And the person is still walking free. And we have somebody who's been slapped with charges which are misdemeanor, and then the person is being treated as if he's a hardened criminal. Very unfortunate. Very, very. It looks like this unfair application of the law, the bias is becoming too much. We are going to rise up against this unfortunate treatment. It looks like state institutions being weaponized.
Just another class circuit court honor there. In fact, a dom abachi so pile ho. I'm not even MP before supporting honor. Ebi kura ebuofu. Emma ebi kura no. Ebi kama ji kura fa. Ebi fa ho kama ji chira IGP kura sebe. As IGP brother than NDC top rank member be as all year juma no in favor of NDC.
Prison no. On be able to see ya ready. Yeah, but every bonoba, yakra free fear. Say, I'm not Pamunchi. Yeah, I ready somebody. I would be Yeah, but I'm not going to say all the 12 consensus chairmen sitting in the house. NDC for a nano. You're buying it times 20. Times 20 crowd, yes, sir. NDC in your way and night. I can't afford BID. Yes, Ramo. So I'm up. Now, young Cataya in the arm with the year and 8 Yamoka. Why are you doing nano? Yes, wow, Tinanumpo, Sanya Disa, for my pepe, Sana Pero. I don't know IGP, Sabu. You're the taxpayers' money. And the mouse said, Hannah boy, you found who you buy. And now, you are behaving like youth organizer of NDC. Yes. What should happen? What should happen? Yeah, in the Ghana police service, they are professional. Even by me, IGP, you are behaving like NDC youth organizer. Why should it be that? Why should it be so? Why should it be so? Say, Oko Sampa, I am German side. You know German side. You are Sampa. Sampa is German side. You pay woo. A police want to. You don't get the I say, oh my God. I can say, for woman. You slow beer. You police is slow beer. The police some bacteria. I am ready. Some bacteria. You are ready. Afenyo, you are ready. Like a siakasi. Afenyo na don't. Mama, mama, ni mama oya. I'm saying that me catch them say I'm people party 5 days. 5 days demonstration. 5 days demonstration what the essence. Say who are you know young people here. The Sassaman Kawana. Kasa, Bravo, Kasa, you are so Kasa, you press. Nani Pantonka.
That's it. That's what you're in favor of NDC. Nana Ebus said, Nanya Azorka, Chairman Azorka, NDC first vice chairman. I also try this to be Afenyo Markin. Ono so mo ye ne dey na busa ene ana police for ekwache Chairman Azorka ono na ka asese ko beto Afenyo Markin e wa kwacha ba election ase a anka sebi ye go akoye ba election e wo efutu consider meaning say ko be ku Afenyo Markin ami akoye ba election e wo the crew. But interestingly ene na ye kwache Chairman Azorka no, according to Joy News report, Chairman Azorka was granted bail. You kwache no na yesa man bail, but yesi Abronye onkotwere aban kokumu na ye nkoso enye nhwemu, but Chairman Azorka de onkotenefi ye nhwemu ye besai afra no. So when you are there in the Accra Circuit Court honom no ekosi ama independent bi any abra pass ade na air course no dey fat and train na we ama me ya kai ensem bi a IGP dampare e kan ye abra na obefra konya ka said the biggest fear as IGP and say and we obefra konya so akwe no na wanya obi a obepo adwuma se on
DNS IGP Dampare biggest
what's
fear.
What's your biggest fear and what is your everyday motivation?
Let me start with my biggest fear. When it comes to life and the job that I do, my biggest fear is walking out of the position that I find myself today and not getting somebody who is better than me to come and continue. My colleagues will tell you, and I'm saying that for a divine reason. I keep telling God all the time, if all that I'm doing with my colleagues as a team, you cannot get somebody who is better than us to come and continue by maintaining what we have achieved and building upon it, then why are you allowing us to do it? Because somebody who is not better than us will come and destroy it anyway. So that's my biggest fear. So pray for us, so that it doesn't become that when we are no more, we are used as a reference to judge the people who come after us. We rather will have come to do our work as God has destined, and the next people who will come also do their work, but we want them to do it better so that they will build upon what we left behind so that it will be to the benefit of.
And I said, and someone I give them for the car. I said, I said, I can't send me to the me. Well, Chiraji Mama, comment session. I Penyah Block Media.